So here's the part of the song.
'Cause I know you've had your share of hurts along the way.
And there could be a nice little echo right in here. So the lyrics are, I know you've had your share of hurts along the way. So let's listen.
Had your share of hurts along the way.
Along the way. And then maybe another one. Along the way, along the way, along the way. Anyway, we'll start laying some of these guys down. A lot of the times I just start off with these harmonies and then just drop them down while they're kind of in my head. And that's why I've set up these 6 background vocal tracks. So I don't lay down my vocal and then start thinking of another harmony and go, oh, I've got to make another track and I've got to do all this stuff. And then you lose the harmony. So do all this work beforehand. So right now I have 6 vocal tracks here. There's going to be a 3-part harmony. Each part is going to be doubled. And because everything's set up beforehand, man, we can just knock these out really, really quick. So let's start out with the first one. And this one is armed. Here we go. Let me just rehearse for a second.
Had your share of hurts along the way.
Along the way. Okay, it's here. Okie dokie.
Had your share of hurts along the way.
Along the way.
But at the end of the day, you gotta trust.
Okay, good enough for rock and roll. Let's go to the next one here, and we'll just do the exact same thing.
Had your share of hurts along the way.
Along the way.
But at the end of the day, you gotta trust someone.
Okay, we'll go down to the next track. We're going to knock these out lickety-split. And this one will go along the way, along the way. Okay, we go.
Had your share of hurts along the way.
Along the way.
But at the end of the day, you gotta trust.
And on to the next one. Along the way.
Had your share of hurts along the way.
Along the way.
But at your share of hurts along the way.
Along the way.
But at the end of the day, you gotta trust someone.